All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol CNXS, currently up 60%. I pulled this one up because it was requested over here on investorshangout.com/live. That being said, there isn't going to be a ton for me to add to this chart just because of the fact I don't have much history. I mean, you guys look back here. You guys, yeah, you're going to have a little bit of some lines back here I could draw. So that would help a little bit. But that, I mean, we're talking about way back in early 2015. Which is fine, right? It's still relevant. I mean, it's a stock. See if I can actually zoom in a little bit different here. Give me a clearer view of back then. So, okay, so that's where that's going to work off of. Let's see if I can pop another one in here. And we'll see where this comes out once I zoom in. All right, so let's go ahead and bring this back down to where we're at. Looks like, there we go. Okay, it looks like there's been some changes made to where everything was, so I apologize about that. All right, so looking at it right there, it's actually where I thought it would have been, but 0129 currently traded at. Now you guys see where these lines are. There isn't much after this. What that means is, I mean, you've got a gap right here that I'm going to continue to watch. This really depends on the momentum behind it. There isn't much after this. Honestly, there isn't much after this. It could keep running for a few days. You guys are also coming up off of areas that were traded down here in the trips. And you guys are already at, over a penny. Not that much volume in this thing until now. 15 million shares traded yesterday, 7 million shares traded today, and the thing's still up 60%. I think it could keep going, but avoid any gaps from here on out for sure. That being said, I will go ahead and mark down the support lines and what I could think that could be happening. I think it could have another day or so of moving. And Joe, this is they're especially interested to see if you can pull up anything.
Yeah, that's it. I've been looking for different things on it. It's got the stop sign right now, and this pink no information. So I'm obviously limited to what I could obviously pull up on the company, in regards to filings. But what I do see here is on February 8th, 2017, there was a SG13G filed, and that is there. So I'm really not sure what's going on with the company, but obviously something is happening, and that is that. Just let me see what the company profile says too. Like I don't have a clue. This pink. Once it has that, I mean, let's see if their website works. Yeah, so that's up. All right, so the website's up, and it has something to. I'm seeing it has something to do with Bitcoin. So I'm gonna click on there, about us. All right, so Connexus Corporation, through its subsidiary Bitcoin Direct LLC, operates automated Bitcoin machines, ATMs, providing consumers access to purchase Bitcoins for cash by using any handheld mobile device. The company plans to offer a full range of Bitcoin transaction solutions for consumers, including remittance, gaming, and business payment solutions. So the little statement from the president is, we are excited to have acquired the majority interest in Bitcoin Direct LLC, along with its experienced management team. Our strategy is to provide sound, profitable Bitcoin transaction solutions to consumers and to assist a variety of industries as they grow their markets. The company is excited to take part in the consumer adoption of Bitcoin as a digital currency, commented Conrad Huss, president of Connexus. All right, so I'm going to just check to see if these guys have any news, like on their site. Because I obviously didn't find any national, but sometimes they're, yeah. All right, so here's something right here. On their site, there was a press release from January 4th, 2016. I'm just going to pull it up and read it.
All right, KT, he's saying that Mike Tyson is supposedly involved.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's what this press release is right here from the 3rd. January 4th, actually, 2016. It's Bitcoin Direct announces Mike Tyson digital wallet. First mainstream consumer digital wallet that allows buying and selling of Bitcoin. So I mean, you got to think this is over. This press release right here is over a year old though. But I mean, that's the last press release that they had. So, but it really comes down to seeing what's going on with the company. If they're gonna stop filing and everything else. I mean, they got the SG13. Somebody obviously took a took a stake in it, and then I don't know. That it's more of like a wait and see. Obviously, it's you look at the chart, it's going. All right, so if anybody does know anything on this company, feel free to go over to the Investors Hangout stock over there. Go to the stock message board, just type in the right hand corner CNXS, and go share it with the tens of thousands of other like-minded investors that are over here using the site daily. I'm sure they'd love to know why it's up right now. What is it up? Percentage over here, David.
So far 60% today, Joe.
Yeah. Yeah, other than that, Dave, I mean, it really comes down to the company starting to, give us information by filing it, getting their filings up to date and stuff. But obviously, just from here, they obviously have something to do with Bitcoin. So at least we found out something that they do.
All right. All right, so again, with the chart, 0129, watch could keep moving for another day maybe. I'm kind of iffy on that, honestly. Avoid gap up on 227. It could pull back fast. Watch for the gap at 0809. That is all. I mean, it really depends on that. The RSI is at 92 right now. But hey, I could be wrong. It just could keep running, So again, CNXS, thank you for everybody that was requesting this. Hopefully that this video helped you. If you feel like this video helped you, make sure you hit that subscribe and like button. We would definitely appreciate it. Got a hot stock that you're watching that you would like to see us cover? Head over to investorshangout.com/live. Let us know there. We'll take your hot stock and add it to the list.